Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where your battery is located on this 2008 Chevy Malibu. If this video is helpful, can you just smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, really helps out a lot. So this is a simple location, it's right under the hood, so we're going to pop our hood. The battery is right under this plastic cover right here. To get this plastic cover out, we're going to push on this tab right here and also this tab. It kind of lift as you push. There we go. And then we can just kind of wiggle and pull this out. And right here is our battery. If you're going to change this battery, then what you need to do is first unhook your positive cable here and then unhook your negative cable. The way that you do that with these are loosening these nuts right here. Then you should be able to wiggle that terminal loose. Same thing here. Loosen this nut here, wiggle this terminal loose. And then to actually get your battery out, you're gonna have to remove this bolt right here and this little plastic holder right here comes out, and then you can actually lift your battery out. If you're looking for a part number on the battery, I will have a battery linked in the description below that you can order. So this takes a 600 cold cranking amp battery. There's the part number right there. Again, I'll have it linked in the description below if you want to get it on Amazon through my affiliate link. When you're putting this back in, for the cover here, you need to have this tab slide into that slot right there. So we're just going to slide that in there, and then this just pushes right back down and clips into place. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.